Hey everybody, Mr. Newberry here. Wanted to talk about how we're going to access some of our assignments from Google Classroom and specifically how to access an Edulastic assignment. For some of you, this might be the first time you're logging in. Hopefully you guys have already logged into one of these before, but if not, we're going to go through it. So I'm here in my Google Classroom uh, classes, and I'm going to go over here to I just made a test class here. I'm going to click into this class, and looking here, I see that there is an assignment. And uh, if I wanted to go to classwork, there's an assignment here. I can click on that, and then there's going to be a link down here. It says, click the link below to take the Edulastic Algebra Practice Assessment. You will need to log in with your Talawanda email account to access the website. So if I want to start this assignment, I just go ahead and can click here. Nope, that goes to the Google Classroom part. Sorry. You click on this link, and it's going to take you to the Edulastic website. Now, I'm not logged in yet, so I have to log in. Now, I can't log in with my Talawanda account, but I did assign this to my other Google account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google. Okay, which you would also click for your Talawanda account, and my Google account is just my j.a.newberry@gmail.com. So I'm going to choose that account. Now, sometimes if this wasn't a computer that I've been using very much, it may ask for my password that goes along with that. But once you log into that, it's going to take you to your test. Okay. Now I started this test, or at least I'd already opened it already. So it went right to the first item of the test. And you'll see that on this test, there are 20 items. There are 20 items on this test, and as I go through and I answer these, okay, you'll see that there are sometimes there's opportunities if you got to put a fraction in, if you need a plus sign, a minus sign, all that stuff, it'll pop up here and give you an opportunity to do that. I'm going to go ahead and skip this question. But again, you'll see there's some other questions here. Write each expression in simplest form. So you would go through and you would basically write these by combining your like terms, distributing, adding things together after you distribute. This is just for me. You're going to be doing this assignment because I want to see how you guys are doing and basically what your overall understanding of these math topics are. Okay. I am not, okay, it is not going to be graded for correctness. It's going to be graded for completion. So as long as you try every question, you will get full credit. But I do want you to try your best. So do not rush through this and just start throwing things in here and answering things and going to the next question. Have a pencil and paper out. Try your best on these because it's going to give me a good idea of some things that we need to take a little more time to learn. All right. Or if everybody seems to be doing really well on certain topics, it's things that we can go ahead and skip and just kind of put those as part of our work that we know how to do already and move on to stuff we need to take more time with. Okay. But again, this is our assignment. Once you do complete, okay, once you do complete the assignment, all right, you just click submit, all right, and it'll tell you if you've forgotten to answer some questions. So you may need to actually go through and just figure out which questions. I think when you answer them, it'll fill it in so you know that they've been answered. But once you know they're all answered, you can submit it. And after you submit it, it'll actually tell you how you did, okay? Oh, nope, submit's right up here. So I go click submit, top right, it submits it, and basically we got it'll give you what your answers are and tell you if you're right or wrong, and you guys can go from there, okay? But it's going to give me some good feedback for you guys as well as good feedback for yourself, okay? Once you've submitted it, you can go through and look and see how you did on the different questions. All right. And again, the nice thing with this is I'm gonna let you guys view the answers afterwards. But I want you guys to see how you did, and basically, it's these questions are kind of an overview of a lot of different algebra type skills. So I just want you guys to try your best and see how you guys can do on them. Okay. So good luck. Work on these. It won't be due until Friday. Okay. So you're gonna have a few days to work on this. I may actually make this not due until next Monday, so that way I give you guys the majority of the week to work on it. If you are able to start it, stop it, go away for a little bit, log out, and then when you log back in, you can restart your test. There's not going to be a time limit on this, and like I said, I'm not going to be grading this and giving you points based on how well you did. All right. Good luck, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye.